Guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do if you don't have the Canva Pro to remove backgrounds. So I'm just going to type in what I want to remove. So I'll just type this heart-shaped candy, for instance, and I'm just going to select this, and I want to remove the background of this image right here. Oh my god, can this not, like, that's so annoying. Okay. Just add that there, and I am going to go to the app section here, and I'm just going to type in background remover or eraser it's called, and you're just going to select background eraser, and then here, oh, I actually have to choose the files. Okay, so I can't use it from Canva, but I can use it from my files. So maybe this candy, for instance, and then I'll select remove background. And hopefully after that, it will be removed. Just waiting for this to load. It will take a few. It does take longer though than just using the Canva Pro feature. Wow, it's taking a long time actually to load. I think I'm going to pause this and I'll be right back when it's finished. And I'm back, and it actually did remove the background. As you can see, it's not precise. You can see this shadow, but I think it adds some depth to it. But yeah, that's how you can remove background from your photos without using Canva Pro. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!